You prayed, you fasted, you cried in Ramadan. But here's a question that should scare all of us. Was it accepted? Ramadan has ended. The masjids are quieter. The Quran is closed for many. The long nights of prayer are gone. But the real question is not what we did in Ramadan. The real question is, did Allah accept it? Because not every deed is accepted. The scholars of Islam said something very deep. The reward of a good deed is another good deed after it. Meaning, if Allah accepts your Ramadan, you will continue doing good after Ramadan. But if everything stops, then we need to question ourselves. So, how do you know? Look at your life now. Are you still praying on time? Do you still open the Quran? Do you still make dua? Or did everything end with Ramadan?
You see, every year, towards the end of the year, 29 December, 30 December, 31 December, you start getting messages about New Year resolutions, right? People say, make your resolutions. I tell you, you got to make these resolutions for Ramadan. You must come out of Ramadan in a way that you're not the same person who entered Ramadan. Ramadan is like a dip tank. You got into it, disinfected, completely gone out, sanitized. Not satanized, but sanitized. You see, Satan was tied up, right? You come in and you come out. And when you're out of Ramadan, you should feel like you're a changed person. Just like Hajj. When you go for Hajj, you come out of Hajj forgiven. What is the sign of an accepted Hajj? The fact that your life has changed. Your life hasn't changed. Probably the Hajj, the farad was done, but the deeper benefits were not achieved. Same applies to Ramadan. What is the reward of Ramadan? Total forgiveness.
Think about this. During Ramadan, you felt close to Allah. You had peace. You had discipline. You had control. So what changed? Was Allah only your Lord in Ramadan? Or is He your Lord all year? Even if you feel like you've slipped, it's not too late. The door of repentance is still open. Start small. One prayer on time. One page of Quran. One sincere dua, because Allah loves consistent deeds, even if they are small. So if you want to know whether your Ramadan was accepted, don't just look at Ramadan. Look at what came after it. Because the real sign is not how you started, but how you continue. Take care of your Iman. Thank you for watching the video, and like, share, and subscribe for more videos.